Hello and welcome to Hands-on Functional Programming with Java. I am Christian Stajkowski and I will be your instructor for this course. I am a software engineer with over 6 years of programming experience in various programming languages, such as C, C++, Java, Lisp, and Clojure. I have worked on numerous AI projects that range from heuristic searches to artificial neural networks. Currently, I'm working on mobile applications, more specifically Android. Because of previous work with Lisp and Clojure, I can create a better parallel between the functional programming and object-oriented programming paradigms. Now, let's see what this course offers. In the first section, I will explain the uses of functional programming and dive straight in. You will learn about anonymous classes, why they are useful, and you will learn how to make code that is hard to read and understand, more elegant and robust. In the second section, we will use lambda expressions. We will explore their features and learn how to properly use these lambda expressions. In the third section, I will go over the collections framework, its various interfaces like set, list, and queue, and their concrete implementation classes. We will also take a look at the map interface and its concrete implementations. All of these classes combined are vital for developing functional code. In the fourth section, I will go over the Stream API of Java, the Java backbone for developing functional code. You will learn all about stream operations, which are divided into intermediate and terminal operations, and are combined to form stream pipelines. You will then learn and use the various stream operations to perform manipulations on streams of objects to achieve the desired result. In the fifth section, I will go over advanced stream operations for advanced mapping like flat map. You will also learn how to group, filter, and partition objects in advanced ways, and implement these operations hands-on in practical examples. And finally, in the last section of this course, I will touch upon concurrency, how the Stream API allows for concurrent code, what are the benefits of concurrent code, and how to decide what will work best for your program. To be able to follow this course, you should at least have an intermediate knowledge of Java, and some basic knowledge of Java interfaces and inheritance. By the end of this course, you will understand the power of functional programming. You will be able to utilize the collections framework for storing and manipulating groups of data. You will get familiar with the Stream API and be able to use it to introduce functional code to your programs. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin.